If you want to trade in stock market, you will have to study the stock price. And for that, we do technical analysis. And if you want to invest for long term in stock market, you will have to study the company business. And to do that, we do fundamental analysis. Okay, so now let me explain you the difference between technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So we understand technical analysis is for trading, that is when you buy and sell within 1 year. Whereas fundamental analysis is for investment, when you buy and hold it for 1 year, even up to decade you can hold. Okay, remember there is no lock-in period in this, you can sell it anytime. Only if you're selling it after 1 year, it will be considered as an investment. Study of stock historic prices. We analyze that. Okay, we look at the current data and we predict the future price movement. So that is what is technical analysis. Whereas fundamental analysis is the study of the company fundamentals. And in that we study the business, the management, the finance, okay? And we try to come at a fair value of the stock price. So whatever is the stock price currently, whether it is available at a fair price or no, whether it is expensive or no. If it is expensive, then obviously we will not buy, because then we will not get good returns. Okay, so we need to understand whether the whatever is the price quoting is undervalued or overvalued. Overvalued is like expensive. Undervalued is like it is a fair price. So you should always buy at a fair price when you want to invest for long term. So what is the fair price? How to understand this overvaluation, undervaluation? This again we will learn in details in fundamental analysis video. So in technical analysis, we analyze the past trend and patterns. So we look at the pattern, how the pattern was formed before in that particular stock. Okay, and then we predict the future price movement. Whereas in fundamental analysis, we analyze the factors that may affect the price in the future. Okay, so there are a lot of factors at fundamental level. Okay, there is something which is management decision. Okay, some news has come. Now, if you must have heard about Yes Bank. Okay, Yes Bank was one of the top performing bank. It had given very good returns to the shareholders, but only because of the bad management, bad decision, the stock price has fallen down a lot. So there are a lot of factors which will affect the stock price and it will fall, or it will go even on the upside. So if there is any good news related to the company, related to the management, then the stock price will start climbing on the upside. So all these factors, what are the factors? Again, we will learn in details in the fundamental analysis. Now, for doing technical analysis, we use chart, graph, indicators, moving average, and we study the stock price movement. Whereas in fundamental analysis, you will have to focus on the company data like the profit and loss statement, balance sheet, annual reports, news. As I said, news is again important. Management decision, what decisions they are taking. So we have 4 parameters. So we will be focusing on all these 4 parameters, and then we will there will be sub parameters. Okay, so all this data we will collect. We will understand what is the ratio, what is the benchmark, whether this company is fitting into our benchmark or no, and then we will arrive at a conclusion where we know that yes, this company is good for investment, and we can go and invest our money in that company. Now, technical analysis, when you do trading, okay, you earn compounding returns. Okay, so for this, it is very important that you enter and exit the right stock and at right price. And compounding returns is, it creates magic. You tend to earn a lot by getting compounding returns. Okay? So this you will learn in the money management session. And when you invest in the company for long term by doing the research and study about the company, it will create wealth for you. Okay? So for example, I'll just tell you, like if you see Jubilant Foodwork. So Jubilant Foodwork is a Domino's pizza. that we eat, right? So this company is also listed on stock market and the registered name is Jubilant Food Works. So this company, if anyone had invested for 10 years, it had given huge returns to the shareholders. It has actually created wealth. Okay. For example, I'll just give you a rough example. If someone had invested 1 lakh 10 years back, that 1 lakh could have even turned into 20 lakhs, 22 lakhs, 30 lakhs. So these are the kind of returns the company, the good fundamentally strong companies have given returns to its shareholders. Okay. So this is how you create wealth. Now, when you want to do technical analysis, okay, when you want to do trading in stock market, it is very important to select the right stock and at the right price. Okay, and this will make you earn consistent profit. So this is what we are going to learn in the technical analysis videos and the money management. Okay. And when you want to earn or when you want to create that wealth, it is very important to research the right company. So researching the right company is like hunting for treasure. Okay, so when you go on hunting for that treasure, it's not easy, right? But when you want to create that wealth, you have to take all those efforts. So researching about the company, its business, its management is very important. And when you find that gem company, it will create wealth for you. Okay, so it is very important to find and research that company. Now, how to find that gem company is what we will learn in fundamental analysis. As I mentioned, we have 4 parameters. So all those 4 parameters, and then we have sub parameters. So we have numbers, ratios, and we will see if that particular company is fitting into those ratios or numbers or not. If they are fitting in, then yes, that is the right company to invest your shares. Now, this is something very important. This is the golden rules to always remember in stock market. So if you want to be successful, go through this, pause my video and read this 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or every day. Okay, but do read this and at the back of your mind, always remember. So this is like preparing your mindset. And this is very important because let me tell you, 95% of the people in stock market lose their money or have been unsuccessful. Only the top 5% people are making or creating wealth in stock market. Why? Okay, because knowledge, discipline, and money management. These are the 3 important things. And this is what we are going to learn. But you need to prepare your mindset. And this is where you just go through this, read this, and I would advise you to read this daily so that your mind is prepared for getting into stock market. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.